Hello everyone, I'm Aman back with another beautiful problem on trees. So the question is maximum sum path starting from root. We have to calculate maximum sum path that starts with root. For example, in this tree, this is this one. Sum will be 14 plus 8, 22, 22 plus 6, 28, 28 minus 2, 26. This is the maximum sum path that starts with root. You can try all other paths. It's not necessary that you reach to the leaf. I mean, I could have stopped here. For example, if I try to calculate, I mean, let's just say if this would not have been here, then I would have calculated this 14 plus 6 plus 5. Okay, now let's see here. If I start from this side, this I think I'll get is this one, 9 plus 4, which is 13. The only constraint is I have to start with the root. Now let's see here. If I start here at 9, I should go till here, and the sum that I'll get is 10. So the answer in this case is what, 10. If I start exactly here, the maximum sum path starting at this root is nothing but this minus 3, because if I even include one node or any node, any other path, I will get even smaller sum. So the answer in this case would be nothing but minus 3. Hope the question is clear to you. Now let's just see how am I going to solve them. I want to calculate maximum sum path starting with the root. Okay, what if I know maximum sum path starting with this point and maximum sum path starting with this point? Then I can make the decision whether I want to include this side or even none of them. So let's just start. I'll ask the same to everyone. I will ask 10. Hey, tell me maximum 10. Tell me maximum sum path starting from yourself. It will say nothing but 10. If I ask the same to 7, 7 will say nothing but 7. Now I want to know here maximum sum path starting with this 6. This 6 asked left tree said starting with me maximum is 7. So, and right side I have nothing. So I will include this and I'll get 6 plus 7, 13. Now maximum sum path starting with this minus 8. Left subtree said that from this point onwards the maximum sum that you can get is 10. Right tree said maximum sum starting from this point you get is 13. So I will 100% include this one and I get 13 plus minus 8, which is 5. Now let's ask the right subtree. This will return maximum sum path starting with itself as 5. This will return 1. Now at this point, maximum sum path starting from this point. This will say what? Left subtree is giving me 1. So maximum you can start from this is minus 6 plus 1, which is minus 5. Now maximum sum path starting with this. Left subtree says maximum sum path starting with me is 5. Starting with this point is minus 5. So 100% minus 3 will include the left side and it will become 2. And 4 asks the same to left subtree. This side said maximum sum path starting with this point is 5. Starting with this point is 2. So 100% it will include the left tree and it will become 9. Hope it's clear. Now let's just see it on another example. So let's just say for this one, maximum sum path starting from this place would be nothing but minus 4. Maximum sum path starting from this place would be nothing but minus 3. Now let's see the turn of minus 2. Minus 2 says maximum sum path starting with left tree, it's 0. Starting with right subtree is minus 3. So why would I include this right side to myself? I would rather be alone, right? So this minus 2 will return nothing but minus 2. Now let's start for this minus 3. Maximum sum path starting from this place is minus 4. Starting from this place is minus 2. So why would minus 3 include anyone? It will remain alone and it will return minus 3. Hope it makes sense to all of you. Now maybe we can see it here. Maximum sum path starting from this place is what? Minus 5. From this minus 1 is minus 1, minus 3 is minus 3. Now when I start with this minus 2, maximum sum path starting with the left side is minus 1. Starting with the right side is minus 3. So why would we include negative parts? I will start exactly from here. So maximum sum path starting with minus 2 is minus 2. Now for this 4, right subtree has nothing. Left subtree it got minus 5. So why will it include left side? And it will simply return 4. Now when I come to 9, left side is saying maximum sum path starting from me. Whatever it is, I don't care. That is minus 2. This side it is 4. So we'll get what? We'll choose this side and we'll get 9 plus 4, 13. Hope this is clear to all of you. Now let's just quickly code it up. Maximum sum path starting with root. So I'm simply saying, hey left tree, tell me the maximum sum path starting with yourself. So this I'll call root dot left. The same I'll ask to my right side. Int r is equal to maximum sum path root starting from the right side. It is root dot right. Now for me, I will 100% include myself because we are talking about maximum sum path starting with this point. But for a node, if left side is negative, right side is negative. Do you want to include that? 100% not. When both are positive, I want to include what? I want to include the larger of them. So this we can write simply as maximum of left side sum, right side sum, and 0. If both of them are negative, we are not including anyone. We are returning from ourselves. If one of them are positive and negative, so I'll choose the positive one. If both of them are positive, I'll choose the higher one. And base case will be if root is null, simply return. Now coming to time complexity, since we are traversing the whole tree, time complexity will be nothing but order of n. While coming to space complexity, these many functions will be there at max on the stack, or height number of functions. Similar to, I mean, what we are doing exactly, we are doing nothing different from post order, right? Go left side, go right side, and then do yourself, doing some work at yourself. So space is order of h. Now this is not the actual question. Let's just come to the actual question. Actual question is, we have to calculate maximum sum path passing between any two nodes. Okay, through any two nodes. For example, in this tree, maximum sum path between any two nodes is this much. Oh, let me draw it again. This much. This will come out to be 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 14, 25. 25 plus this is what? 8, 6, 14. 14 minus 2, 12. So 7 and 3, 37. This side, I'll get answer as 37. Now, for this side, the maximum sum path, between any two nodes will be this much only. Will be this much only. This is the maximum sum possible between any two nodes, which comes out to be 15. Now, here maximum sum between any two nodes, this will come out to be this much. Right? 50 plus 60, 70, 80. So answer in this case is 80. Hope the question is clear to all of you. Now, how to solve this? So this solution is highly dependent upon the previous problem. Let's go through the previous code one more time, where we were calculating maximum sum path starting from this root element. Okay. What was the previous problem that we solved? Maximum sum path starting from every node. This is what we were calculating. So maximum sum path starting from this place that we will get is 10. Here I'll get 7. Here I'll get 5. Here I'll get 1. Now maximum sum path starting from this place, 7 plus 6, 13. I'm just again doing the previous question, not this one, because this will help me, the previous question will help me solve the current problem. Now here, maximum sum path starting from this node, this is what? Minus 8. It has two options, it will choose this one, so it will return 5. Now here, this will return minus 6 plus 1, minus 5. The maximum sum starting with this is minus 3. Maximum sum starting with this is what? Minus 3 plus 5, which is nothing but 2. And maximum sum starting from this place will be what? Minus 40 plus, it will choose this 5, minus 35. This is what we have calculated. Now we want to actually calculate maximum sum path between any two nodes. Now friends, my claim is, whatever the maximum sum path is between any two nodes, it will pass through one of the node. I mean, beat this, it will always pass through one node. Whatever is the maximum sum path in a tree, let's just say this is the tree, it will 100% pass through some node, right? Even if it is this much only, still it will have one root. Whatever is the maximum sum path, it will have a root. So I will do what? I will give every node the chance to be root, and I will calculate maximum sum path there. For example, what is the maximum sum path between any two nodes starting from this, where it acts as a root? Nothing but 10. Maximum sum path between any two nodes in which this is root. So maximum sum from the left side is 10, right side is 13. So maximum sum path passing through this will be what? Passing through this node will be what? 10 plus 13 plus minus 8, which will come out to be what? 23, and 23 minus 8 will be what? 15. So maximum sum path between any two nodes passing through this is 15. No better sum is possible which will pass through this. Similarly, maximum sum path passing through this, just passing through this. For that, what do I need? Left side maximum sum, right side maximum sum. I have left side maximum sum 7, right side maximum sum is 0. So maximum sum path in which this node is acting as root is nothing but 13. Maximum sum path, let's calculate here, for between any two nodes in which this will act as root will be what? This left side maximum sum, right side sum plus this. So left side sum is 5, right side sum is negative, so we won't include it, correct? In this case, so 5 plus 3, which gives us minus 2. So maximum, oh sorry, plus 2, maximum sum path in which between any two nodes in which this is acting as root is 3, is 2. Now maximum sum path passing between any two nodes in which this node is acting as root. So left side maximum sum is what, 5, right side maximum sum is what, 2. So maximum sum path between any two nodes passing through this will be what, 5 plus 2, 7 minus 35. So I just have to get maximum of all these, which I can do via global variable. Let's just see one more example. Let's just do here. Let's first calculate maximum sum path starting from every node. So starting from every node, this will be minus 10, this will be 10, this will be 50. Starting from this, 20 plus 50, 70. Starting from this is what, minus 20 plus 70, 50. Maximum sum path passing through this root. Now to calculate maximum sum path between any two nodes, the maximum sum path will 100% pass through a root element. So let's just treat everything as the root. This from this element, if when this element is root and you want to calculate maximum sum path in which this is root, what do you need? Left side sum, right side sum, and your current node. Left side maximum sum is 10, right side maximum sum is 50. So maximum sum path between any two nodes in which this will act as root will be what? 10 plus 50, 60 plus 2, 80. Similarly, maximum sum path between any two nodes in which this minus 20 is acting as a root is what? Left side maximum is minus 10, right side maximum is 70. So maximum sum path between any two nodes passing through this will be what? This minus 20. We won't choose the left side since it's negative, plus 70, which is 50. So maximum sum path between any two nodes passing through this will be what? 50, that you can see. This is that. So hope this is clear to you. So basically simple. Let me put it one more time. Whatever is the maximum sum path, it will pass through one root, some node that will act as a root between the maximum sum path. We are giving every node the chance to be root of that maximum sum path. We are getting the maximum left sum, maximum right sum. If both of them are positive, we will include that and our sum will become something like this. If maximum sum path, if left side sum starting from this is negative, right side sum starting from this is positive, then maximum sum path passing through this node will be this much. And if both of them are negative, maximum sum path starting from this is negative, starting from this is negative, we'll choose just ourselves. So simply we are going to use our previous code. I will call this previous code and behind the scenes I will get what I want. Oh, I think it's already there. Maybe let's just remove this and paste it again. It will help me. I have a global variable, answer is minus infinity. Basically I'm calculating answer at every place, maximum sum path between any two nodes. And I call this via my global function. At the end I'll return answer. Now here, currently I'm calculating maximum sum path passing through every node. So for maximum sum path pass when this current node is acting as root, I can calculate it because all the data that I need is here. So simply, well, let's put a p variable. P is equal to max of left comma 0 plus max of right comma 0 plus root dot data, and then answer will be max of answer comma p. So these two additional lines, just make sure that every node where you're returning maximum sum path starting from this place, starting from this root, you're also calculating maximum sum path where this will act as a root node because you have the left sum, you have the right sum. So you're also calculating the maximum sum path between any two nodes at this particular node. Hope it makes sense to all of you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.